Welcome to Albania.
Welcome to our van as
Welcome
well.
to our humble abode. Today we're going to be giving you guys a van tour.
Yep.
Much awaited. Okay, so at the back of the van, under the bed, we've got two compartments. The first one has the food, like the pantry box container, and then the second box back here has all of our kitchen appliances.
Yeah.
So we've got cutting boards, bowls, cutlery, dish stuff, pans, and like other miscellaneous stuff back there.
Yep.
Our cooking needs, we've got a pull-out table. Okay.
Oh,
Yes.
yay!
Guys, I haven't been able to pull it out the last few times, but this time's different. Yep, we just cook on here. This side we've got our clothes boxes. So this is Tessa's one. It's got all like summer clothes and active wear and stuff in there. And then mine's like the same kind of vibe. And then back in the very back one is our winter clothes. It was a very cold journey. We've got some other random belts and dress. Yep.
Okay, so this is Bridget's side of the bed. Down here we have our shoes. So we just have our shoes in these bags. And we also have backpacks that we use for hiking and stuff. And then under here is a little secret shelf that we built. And it has our laptop and like our other documents that we don't want people to steal. So hopefully that might stop them if they do break in.
Hopefully no one sees this and then decides to break in.
Yeah. In our bed we also have 3 of these pillows that we use for storing clothes. So we have like undies,
Like undies, bikinis.
jumpers.
Yeah.
In here we have like our towels, hiking jackets and clothes. Just like other things that we use often. And coming to the front, we have our battery and our fridge. I would like tell you guys some information about the battery and the fridge, but I don't really know anything about it. So yeah, we just charge the battery up when we're driving. It's pretty good. It lasts a long time. It's called EcoFlow Max 2, I think.
It's got heaps of like plugs and like ports.
And our fridge that I definitely don't know anything about, but it's a pretty good size. And when we're driving, we put the fridge in under here, and we use this thingy to attach
It plugs in as
over there. So we plug that in so that runs when we're driving.
Okay guys, so welcome to behind the seats. Behind the seat we have our bin. We've got chocolate wrappers. We've got a laundry basket. Back here is like purse. We put our towels in there. I think Tessa's purse is in there as well. That's just like random storage. This has like electricity stuff. Up the top here we have like wet wipes, toilet paper, gum, tissues. Under here we have like medication, like books and stuff in there. Random like stuff in there that we just use when we drive.
Our beach bag.
Yes, our beach bag, because we're about to hit the beach. Okay, this is Tessa's side that she sleeps on. This is like her little bag of mine that she showed. And then under here, we've got like a mini table, like chairs in it. It's really cute. We've got like our cosmetics, our toiletries, and we've got like randomly some soap and some shampoo and conditioner just like loitering around there.
Okay, so this up here is like our garage, really. We keep all of our things that we don't use as often up here. So we've got our water tanks, which are both empty right now.
And there's no drinking water in our bin. You have to buy the canisters.
Yeah, and then we've got like washing powder, spare milk, and like food, stuff to change a tire, hiking shoes, these shower bag things. In here we've got spare towels and bedding, and then in here we've got another gas cooker and some gas cans, water, dirty laundry that we have to hand wash, and bags, kind of random stuff. So that is our van. We still haven't even thought of a name for it yet.
Yes.
So
Comment any suggestions.
yeah, we need to.
Oh.
We need to think of that. But yeah, thank you for watching. Sorry, the outside is extremely dirty, but that's okay.
Sorry the view's so ugly.
Yeah, guys, sorry, it's not really a pretty scenery right now. Like, this is not that nice. I'm sorry you had to see that.
In case you didn't know.
Yeah. Oh, we've got our baskets.
Oh my god,
Let's do
our
the
basket.
basket.
In my basket, I've got a little sleeping mask that Tessa made me, the pill, a book, just like stuff I need before bed. And then hers is kind of the same: sleeping mask, toothbrush, AirPods. She's got her PJs in there and a sleeping mask.
Yeah, and the light switches. We've got some light switches in there, and we also have like little memento things that we've gotten from places. And then we've also got light switch up there. So, yeah, that is our van. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.